So let me show you today like how to install Visual Studio Code in your operating system. So navigate to this official website. I'll take this link. Okay, let me go to your favorite browser. So paste it out. Okay. So you will redirect to this page of official Visual Studio Code. Here you will select your operating system. Accordingly, you can download your package. In my case, it is Windows 11. So I'm clicking on this. Okay, thanks for downloading, and one package will be download. So I already downloaded this one, so I'll pause this. I'll go with this. Okay, let me go to this folder. Let me double click on this. Okay, so it will ask you some agreements, so you need to accept it. Click on next, click on next, click on next. You can create a desktop shortcut icon if you want. Either you can select it or you can click on next. Okay, let's install. So like this you can install your this Visual Studio Code in your operating system. Let's wait for some minutes so it will install it. So here if you'll see, it is installation is completed. Let me click on finish, and it is redirecting to this page. Okay, and you can search here as well, like Visual Studio Code. It should be installed in our operating system. Yes, it is there. Okay, you can click in it and you can open this page. Okay, so let me close this and let me go to file and open folder, and whatever folder you want to select it, you can select here. Okay, I just want to select gate, which I have created this one. Let me select this and select folder. Okay, inside my gate folder, and you need to click on this checkbox and click yes, I trust the others. Okay, let me delete this one. If I'll see here inside one gate folder, I have a folder that is day one and all the content it is displaying. Okay, here if you'll see, it is U means it is untracked. At the end you can see it is untracked. Okay, if it is a modified, then it will come with M. Okay, index added. What is the meaning of index added? Index added means it is already added in staging area. Okay, and if you'll see this F12, I think this is created only in system and nothing is tracked by Git. Okay, this for this file, this Git is known unknown. Okay,